Hi friends, you have seen that I have uploaded so many videos explaining all the features of this very nice switcher for a HVS-190i. Yes, as per my rank, it's a 5 out of 5. It's a very good HD video switcher, but it has some drawbacks from my point of view. Let's discuss about the drawbacks. Actually, there is no dedicated aux button to change the aux out frequently in this switcher, so I think it's a drawback. Yes, obviously you can change the aux out using a rotary switch, but during an event it is not possible for an online editor to do so frequently. But if you use an additional aux panel, then you can do it easily. So it's a bad bang. Next drawback, there is also no dedicated button for flex key preview, but yes, obviously you can assign a user button for flex key preview, so it's a not a bad bang. Third one is no HDMI input option. Yes, obviously you can use HDMI signal after conversion to HDI using a HDMI to HDI converter, so in this case it is also a not a bad bang. And the last one drawback of HVS-190 is there is no analog audio input option. Yes, obviously you can use audio coming through HDI signal, but you cannot use separate analog audio from audio mixer to input your video switcher. There is no option, so it's a really a bad bang. So friend, these all are the drawbacks of HVS-190 switcher from my point of view, and those who have missed the total features or specifications of this HVS-190 video switcher, I am giving the link in the description box. Kindly follow.